Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Karimnagar location. Let us see what are the job openings available. We will discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job openings for customer service executive for the organization Mukta A2 Cinemas. Job location is Karimnagar, Telangana. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to up to 12,000 a month. And there are other benefits like PF and ESIC and yearly increment, and also the bonus will be offered. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role customer service executive. And if you see the responsibilities, you should be able to enter the ticket roll number in the register, to issue tickets against the net booking printout, to issue tickets, collect cash and entering in the computer, to refund money with prior permission from the manager in case of cancellation of any show, to check the freshness of food, to replace the food if customer is not satisfied, to record shortage if any and getting them settled from the vendor, to maintain staff sales and complementary sales register, to tally cash balance at the end of the day, and there will be shifts as well. Greetings to customers. So all these responsibilities are there for a customer service executive. You can share your resume at the provided email ID for further details. Email ID is careers at muktaa2cinemas.com. Next, there is a job openings for customer representative executive for the organization Connect. Job location is Karimnagar, Telangana. Salary details not disclosed, and qualification is DRA preferred and SSC for DRA candidate. Graduation is for NRA non-DRA candidate. So graduation is mandatory for a non-DRA candidate, and experience required minimum 6 months and above in field collection experience. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role. And if you to apply for the job role, you have to browse official careers web page of Connect organization provided here, that is https://conneqtcorp.com/in/careers/. The link is available below in description as well. You can check with that. Next, there is a job openings for medical administrator for the organization Medicover Hospitals. Job location is Karimnagar, Telangana. Salary offered minimum 30,000 to up to 50,000 a month. Qualification is MBBS or BDS or MHA. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role medical administrator. And if you see the responsibilities, you should support clinical, operational and facility services throughout the entire hospital. You should collaborate with clinical and support staff to foster delivery of standard quality care. You should coordinate triage activities as needed through communication with the medico-social workers, bed control executive for coordinating patient placement, and head of medical services as well. You should ensure all patient medical record are complete with which is in line with the NABH requirements. You should arrange regular training programs for the staff, including but not limited to Code Blue training, basic life support training, and advanced life support training programs. You should provide feedback for staff and complete QA report. You should maintain visibility with the hospital staff through regular rounds. You should assist in evaluating and reassigning staff during crisis situations. To apply for the job role, you have to browse official careers web page of Medicover Hospitals organization provided here, that is https://www.meicoverhospitals.in/careers/. The link is available below in description as well. You can check with that. Next, there is a job openings for a organization PNR Agrotech. They are looking for various positions like sales manager, dealer sales representative, sales coordinator and computer operator, spares and service supervisor, mechanics, accountant. So all these positions they have vacancies. And if you see the full details about each and every position, for sales manager, job location will be Karimnagar. Minimum 5 to 8 years of experience in tractors is required. And for dealer sales representative position, they have vacancies for Karimnagar and Huzurabad locations. And they have vacancies mandal wise for these positions. Freshers are eligible and up to 3 years of experience will be considered for dealer sales representative. So they have vacancies mandal wise for Karimnagar and Hyderabad districts, and they are also looking for sales coordinator, computer operator for the locations Karimnagar and Hyderabad. Minimum 1 to 2 years of relevant experience is required for this position, sales coordinator or computer operator position. And they are looking for spares and service supervisor position for Karimnagar and Hyderabad locations. Minimum 1 to 2 years of relevant experience is required, and they are also looking for mechanics positions for Karimnagar and Hyderabad locations. Experienced candidates are preferred, should have experience in tractor. So the mechanics will should be related to tractors, should be having experience in tractors as well. Those will be given preference, and they are also looking for accountant position for the Karimnagar location. Only Karimnagar location they have vacancy. Minimum 1 to 5 years of experience in relevant field is required. You should have experience as an accountant, minimum 1 year, and up to 5 years of experience will be considered. You can share your resume at the provided WhatsApp number or email ID for further details of further process. Contact number is WhatsApp number is 9849456089, and your email ID is pnragrotech@gmail.com. If you have any questions or queries, let us know below in comments. We will be replying for that. Next, there is job openings for telecaller positions. Only female candidates are eligible for the job role for the location Karimnagar. Minimum age should be 18 years and up to 20 to 27 years of age will be considered. Minimum qualification is any graduation. Salary offered minimum 8,000 to up to 12,000 a month. You can contact on the given phone numbers for more information. Contact numbers are 9000 066919 and 9959243779. Next, there is job openings for marketing executive positions in all over Telangana state in all districts to work for a financial services company, Telangana Loans. Good salary along with incentives will be offered. You can contact on the given phone numbers for more information. Contact numbers are 7288882288 and 7288882299. Next, there is a job openings for receptionist position. Minimum qualification is BCom, and they are also looking for pharmacist. Minimum qualification is B Pharmacy to work in Apex Hospital. The location is beside Raja Theatre located in Karimnagar. So job location is Karimnagar. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 8099434747. Next, there is a job openings for various positions for Deves Hero located in Karimnagar. They are looking for general manager, sales manager, accounts manager should have a GST knowledge, and assistant accounts. Attractive salary will be offered. For more information, you can share your resume at the provided email ID, or you can also contact on the given phone number for further details. Email ID is radha@deveshmotors.com and contact number is 8886662999. Next, there is job openings for front office managers to work for OK Serve India Private Limited to work from own town or mandal district. Good communication skills are required. Should have a good knowledge in English language. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, or you can also contact on the given phone numbers for more information. Email ID is info@okserveindia.com and contact numbers are 8639548902 and 9390061556.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and subscribe the channel for more updated videos. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.